প্রতিকৃতিতে পুষ্পার্ঘ্য ও মাল্যদানের মাধ্যমে এবং শ্যামাপ্রসাদ মুখার্জি এবং দীনদয়াল উপাধ্যায়ের প্রতিকৃতিতে পুষ্পার্ঘ্য ও মাল্যদানের মাধ্যমে ভারত মাতার প্রতিকৃতিতে মাল্যদান ও পুষ্পার্ঘ্য করছেন শিলিগুড়ি বিধায়ক মাননীয় ডক্টর শঙ্কর ঘোষ মহাশয়, শিলিগুড়ি পৌর নিগমের বিরোধী দলনেতা শ্রী অমিত জৈন মহাশয়, শিলিগুড়ি 4 নম্বর ওয়ার্ডের পার্ষদ শ্রী শিলিগুড়ি সাংগঠনিক জেলা বিজেপি ওবিসি মোর্চার সভাপতি শ্রী বাপিপাল মহাশয় কর্মসূচি গ্রহণ করেছি মানুষের অধিকার রক্ষার্থে এবং ভবিষ্যতে যাতে আমাদের এই বিধায়ক উন্নয়ন তহবিলের অর্থ ব্যয়ের ক্ষেত্রে করার জন্য সহযোগিতা করার জন্য এই মঞ্চ থেকে আবেদন করছি। আসুন আমরা আমাদের অধিকার রক্ষার্থে আমরা এই প্রতীকী অনশন কর্মসূচিতে অংশগ্রহণ করি।
Sir, why you are sitting here? What is the reason behind it?
See, in our West Bengal, we have seen for last 15 years, and in my case, in the last 5 years, the people of West Bengal observe that how the opposition representative is being harassed by the state government, from the chief minister to the departmental minister, from the administrative officer to the group D staff. They are not treated being as a public representative. In my case, like me, there are so many other MLAs who is being obstructed to use their MLA land. So, from the beginning, I raised this issue in the floor of assembly and outside the assembly. Several times I protest in front of the administrative office. I submitted deputation within the assembly to our chief minister. She didn't respond, didn't reply. I wrote the letter to the chief secretary. I informed the matter to the speaker. I informed the matter to the departmental minister. I informed this matter to the standing committee chairman. I informed the matter to the district magistrate, CO, Siliguri Jalpaiguri Development Authority. Even I asked the mayor of Siliguri Municipal Corporation to sit together to utilize the whole MLA land. but there was no cooperation whatsoever from the side of the state government.
What is the reason behind it?
So
Why they are not allowing to use your...
this is their political agenda. They want to show that the public representative of opposition party, they are not able to work. This is their agenda. The money which is being allotted for the MLA land, it is so small, you can boil a glass of water. But they are obstructing to heckle, to show in front of the public that these people are not working. So I want to expose their face in front of the masses, as because our people, they elect me to work for them. It is my responsibility to answer all this question which is coming out from the people, and I know they know the ability to work of me, even the opposition public representative. See, the party in the power, it is changed periodically. Today, those who are the rulers, they may become the opposition party in near future. So in any time, no opposition public representative should not be heckled, harassed. They should get their constitutional right properly. So I took this program, and I hope in near future everything will be changed, and no public representative, whether he or she represent ruling party or opposition party, they will get the same honor from the administration. Today I will go for the hunger strike. Still I have decided that it will continue tomorrow, and if necessary I will continue it indefinitely.